It's morning here around 10:12 a.m. Philippine time. And right now, I already opened my store very early this morning, around 4 something, quarter to 5. And um, after that, I had my breakfast, and then I went to the market to pick up some few things missing in my store. And right now, I already put the stuff away from the market, and then right now my niece is doing my hair. Okay. um I like the way it is going to do it. She's going to do it. And okay. Oh, okay. So this is how this is how it looks right now. Okay, this is how it looks right now, guys. And after this, I'm going to City Hall, since my niece is here. She doesn't have any class. They don't have class today, so she can watch the store for me while I'm going to the City Hall, uh, to um, get some birth certificate for my mom's birth certificate, my brother's birth certificate, my two brothers' birth certificate, or two brother or sister's birth certificate. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Guys, shout out to all. Sorry for my looks right now, guys. So this is how I look, guys. Asa mo to akong standang? Kuha na to stand. Nice. Nice. I like it. Dang. Kuha ko stand ako dang nasa CR. CR sa bedroom. Come on, dang. Hurry up na, dang. Shout out, one is watching right now. Thank you for watching. Just